Are you a Snowbird Season Pass holder? Then listen up. If you have an existing Snowbird Season Pass, don't throw it out. When you renew your Season Pass for the upcoming winter, it automatically loads onto your existing pass card, as long as you purchase using the same online account. Then you're set to head straight to the lifts next winter. If you're a new Season Pass holder, then here's what you've got to do. Head to Snowbird to pick up your pass. We highly recommend coming before opening day so that you're not stuck here waiting while your friends are out skiing. To pick up your pass, pull up the confirmation email you received when you bought it. Don't go to the ticket office. Instead, head to one of our pickup boxes located at the Snowbird Center, Creekside, or the Cliff Lodge. Scan the QR code included in the email to dispense your Season Pass. Now, all you have to do is wait for opening day. You're set to go straight to the lift. You can also purchase all-day activity passes online, which will automatically load onto your Season Pass. You don't have to wait in the ticket line ever again. Find more information on Season Passes, including what to do if you lose your Season Pass, on snowbird.com.